Asia One is one of the biggest broadcasters and streaming agencies in the world. I received the award for female empowerment and for leadership from Asia One, and the Root brands achieved the award of World's Greatest Brands. These awards matter not because of me, because I did not achieve the awards. The companies did, and what we've done for female empowerment, for leadership throughout the world, and for brand recognition, giving nutritional supplements, giving people a skincare line and a clothing line that protect and provide for them, helping the inside of their bodies as well as the outside through all these different areas, helping animals. That's our mission. And we're unified in this, and that's why these awards matter. Our goal is to leave a legacy of solutions, leaving the world in a better place. We're very thankful for the awards. We're thankful for Asia One. We're thankful for the opportunity to have a TV segment on their show. But we're more than thankful for everyone in the world that's helping us toward the mission, and this award is for you.